Find the equation of a line that is parallel to y is equal to negative 3x plus 2 and contains the point negative 1, 2. Anytime we're asked to write the equation of a line or find the equation of a line, we need two things. Number one, any point. We do not have to have the y-intercept, any point will do, and we also need the slope of the line. Once we find those two things, we'll plug them into the point-slope formula, which as a reminder is y minus y1 is equal to slope times x minus x1, where x1 and y1 are the coordinates of the point that we pass through, and m is equal to the slope of our line. In this example, we're given the point negative 1, 2, and we know that we want to be parallel to this line. This line has a slope of negative 3, so in order to be parallel to that, we have to use the same slope. So this is the ordered pair that gets plugged in for x1 and y1 in our point slope formula, and this is the slope that we plug in. And so here we go. We do not plug anything in for this first y. The equation of the line is going to contain a y value, and that's what this y will become. From that, we're going to subtract the y coordinate of the point that our line passes through, which is 2, is equal to, the slope of our line is negative 3, so we have negative 3 times. We don't plug anything in for this x. This x is going to remain in the equation when we're done. And then from that, we subtract the x coordinate of the ordered pair that we're passing through, which in this case is negative 1. Now the first thing that we want to do when we simplify is to call this minus a negative a plus. So we have y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 times x plus 1. And what we have here is the equation of our line written in point-slope form. But in order to write the line in slope-intercept form, we would need to continue to solve this for y. So to solve for y, the next thing that we would do is distribute that negative 3 into the parentheses. So we'd have y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 times x minus 3, and then add 2 to both sides to get y is equal to negative 3x minus 1. And this is the equation of our line in slope-intercept form. If you were asked to write the equation in general form, which is, as a reminder, ax plus by is equal to c, we would just need to get the x and y terms on the same side of the equation. So in order to write it in general form, all we would need to do is add 3x to both sides to get 3x plus y is equal to negative 1, and this would be the equation of our line in general form.